Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be my Zara haul first impressions. I did take a poll on the community tab, and I want to say just a little bit more than half wanted a detailed review, and then a little less than half wanted first impressions, but then there were comments where people said both. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do both, but for now we're just going to do a first impressions. So I haven't looked up any notes, but all these perfumes, there are like, I want to say 15. This one came with both Orchid and Gardenia, and this pack, this little box here was like 12 and change. And then some of these were on sale, like this one was only $5. I did only get 1 ounce 30 ml bottles. I am done kind of getting very large bottles unless it's an everyday scent that I know I'll reach for all the time. But when it comes to blind buying, I just tend to go for smaller bottles now. Zara Perfumes I've heard of on YouTube, and people say that they're usually duping other perfumes. I'll see if I can pick up anything like that, and then you guys can let me know in the comments below. But let's get into it. And I did write names on all my little cards. So I'm just gonna pull a name out and then look for the scent. And I did unpack some and take off the plastic just so it's easier. The first one up is Twilight Mauve. This is what the 1 ounce bottle looks like. So the larger bottles are more of that square shape. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like a crisp floral. There is a sharp note at the top. Of course, I don't know how these perform, but these are very inexpensive. All these were between $5 and $9, like in change. So these are nice, especially if they don't last long, to just pop in your bag. I mean, these are really great for travel. This is Zara Twilight Mauve, or Mauve, however, wherever you're from. And I'm not sure what this is duping. It doesn't remind me of anything that I have. But if you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. All right, next we're gonna pick up Gardenia. And this came in this Gardenia Orchid pack. Ooh, black opium. Oh my goodness. So this doesn't smell like Gardenia to me at all, but this is a really good dupe for black opium. Wow. I'll have to come back and let you know what the longevity is and the projection. This is really pretty. So I got like 3 different styles. Like I got these 1 ounce, I got a couple roller balls because I didn't want to get the large, but I wanted to try it. And then I got these that came in this like packaging. I think these were like $12.99 and they were like on sale for like $9 and change. Everything was under 10. So we have Glam, Sense of Glam. And that came in this red bottle. And this is like a glass bottle. I thought these were plastic. So let's see what this. Oh, this has like a plasticky scent. Like kind of like the bottle, it has like a lipsticky vibe to it from the bottle. Yeah, so there's a powderiness to this one, but there's like this like plasticky like lipstick vibe to it. And I hear people say that about other perfumes in their collection, and I don't typically get that, but this has it. Like this has a very nostalgic, playing with dolls type of plasticky scent. And then from the bottle, it's more of like a lipstick vibe, kind of synthetic. And that's really what I get a lot at the top. So I would have to, again, let you know what this dries down to. But this is Sense of Glam, and it's Zara Improbable 002. Not a big fan of this one yet, but again, I'll have to see how it dries down. We're gonna go with Red Vanilla. The packaging for the price is really good. Ooh, this bottle's probably my favorite so far. It's got like this ombre effect, and this is Red Vanilla. This reminds me of something, but I don't know what. It's got like a spiciness at the top. This is going to be a deeper scent. This one's probably more going out. I like this one. I don't know if this is duping anything, but this is like my kind of scent. There might be like a red berry. And I don't want to say powdery, but something about it. It's very peppery kind of spicy. Again, I'll have to test this out. I'm excited to test this one out. So far, this one's my favorite. I do like the Gardenia, but I have a lot of black opium type scents. But that might be a really good dupe if you don't want to spend the money on YSL's black opium. I really, really like red vanilla. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what. And then we're gonna do Orchid next. I smell some of my coffee. I know it's not as strong. Kind of fresh in my nose. Ooh, this is pretty. This is kind of like fresh and soapy at the opening. This is like a clean scent, this Orchid scent. Oh, I like this one. This is another one that at the opening I really like. Again, it's just very clean, simple. This one's Orchid. Okay, and then we have Nowhere. This is Somewhere, Nowhere. And it comes in this white bottle, and I have a feeling just by looking at it, this is maybe duping Not a Perfume, like Somewhere, Nowhere. I could be wrong. I have Not a Perfume, but I haven't really given that a good test. Maybe not. This is very, woof. This is very zesty. There's gotta be lemon or some kind of citrus. This is very, very like a sharp citrus at the opening. So maybe not, because I did a first impressions on Not a Perfume and it was soft. This is very sharp at the opening. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this one at the dry down, because right now I'm getting, I don't want to say cleaning vibes, but when something has like lemon in it, like a lemon cleaner, that's what I get at the opening. This is very, very lemon heavy. This is like very citrus, a burst of citrus in the opening, but I'm not getting anything else. And again, this is Somewhere, Nowhere, Zara Improbable 001. And next, let's go for Violet Blossom. This was like a deep purple color. I mean, the packaging and the price on Zara Perfumes. Oh, this smells like grape soda. It's like sweet. This reminds me of something too, but I don't know what. I'm sure once I look these perfumes up and I see what they're supposed to be duping. But yeah, this has like a, it's not as, it doesn't open up as spicy as red vanilla, but there's a spiciness to it in here, and it reminds me of like grape soda. I think this is gonna be a little bit more of a mature scent as well. Again, this is how the perfumes open up. I'll have to see how they dry down, and I do want to look at the notes. And then we have Femme. And this one is in a pretty like white box. The bottle's clear, and then it's got this pretty white top. Yeah, this is a very classy, clean, floral. Very pretty. Very feminine and classy. These are all very different, actually. I'm kind of happy with this haul. And even if they don't last, again, they're so small, you can pop this in your purse and refresh. If a perfume isn't super expensive, I don't mind that. If I pay a lot for a perfume, I want to be able to spray it, leave it, and just go. I think so far, Femme and Red Vanilla are up there. And then I really like Orchid because it's a very clean, like soapy scent. Okay, and then we have a Wonder Rose. I'm gonna go ahead and do two right now because I did pick up Wonder Rose. This was like a limited edition packaging, and I got this for like $5 and change. And then they had Wonder Rose Summer, but they only had it in a large bottle and I didn't want it. So I got the roller ball, which I thought would be nice to like layer with Wonder Rose, but I am gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my wrist to test it out. This is Wonder Rose Summer. Ooh, that's really fruity. And then we're gonna try Wonder Rose. I think another popular one I saw was like Pink Flambe, but they said that that was like duping Viva La Juicy, and I have so many Viva La Juicy, so I didn't pick that one up. But this is a fruity. This is a fruity floral, but maybe not as like bright and flirty as like the Pink Flambe. And the Rollerball. Wonder Summer is a little bit more of a fruitier take on it, I would say. There's something in this one that is making it more of a fruity, like cocktail vibe. So I thought this would be nice to layer. Okay, I am excited about this one. And this is Tuberose. Yeah, this one's pretty. I just reviewed Ralph Lauren's Woman and then Woman Intense, and those are like tuberose scents. But this is a light tuberose. Ah, this one's so pretty. I think I'm really gonna like this one too. This was one that I was really excited about. This one is called Feels Like Summer, and it comes in this really bright yellow bottle. Again, all these are glass. And summer is right around the corner, so when I saw this, oof. This is citrusy. There's something plasticky about this one too. It wasn't what I was expecting. Again, it's like that sharp citrus like the other one that I just tried, the Somewhere Nowhere. But I'll have to see how this dries out. So far, I'm not impressed with this line, but found any that I'm crazy about. But I do want to test them out, and oh, it matches my shirt. So I'm not crazy about this line, but I'm just noticing that it's kind of vibing with my shirt. It's kind of funny. Okay, and then next we have Selfie. So this is Me and Myself and Selfie. This line has a very plasticky vibe to it. This is like a synthetic vanilla. I feel like this has like vanilla in here. And this is Me and My Selfie. Definitely have to come back and let you know about these. I am liking the other ones. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the ones in these bottles. Okay, and then I did pick up 2 more roller balls. I got Zara Nuit and Gourmand Addict. Again, these were only available in either roller balls or larger bottles, so I picked up the roller balls, especially because I wanted to try the Gourmand one. I'll do Gourmand on this wrist. And I'm not crazy about roller balls, but I keep them at work. And we'll do Nuit. Gourmand doesn't really smell gourmandy. It almost smells like fresh, sparkly, pretty actually. I thought Gourmand was gonna be like kind of sweet and cakey, but it's almost like effervescent and bubbly. Ooh, I kind of like this one. I wish they would have came in a smaller bottle. This is like nice for spring and summer. Again, it says Gourmand, but it's like almost like doesn't smell like my Signorina, but how I described that one, like champagne-y, effervescent. This one's actually really pretty. Again, it might dry down to like a total Gourmand scent, but at first opening, it's not. It's very sparkly. It's actually kind of surprising. All right, and then Nuit. Unfortunately, I'm not picking it up there, so let's do it right here. I don't know if this one, maybe because it's the roller ball. I'm not really picking up anything. It's kind of sweet. I think this one's gonna lean more on a vanilla side. But I'm not picking up anything on this one. Like when I first roll it, I just get alcohol. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's like a subtle vanilla sweet scent. It's not anything, there's nothing popping out on this one. It's not deep or dark or peppery. It's just like sweet. It's like a light vanilla scent. And that's really all I'm getting. Yeah, I'm not getting anything too much on this one. And this is the night collection. And then Gourmand Addict is the day collection. Okay, so night collection is Violet Blossom, Red Vanilla, Nuit. This one doesn't say it. Now, I'm not sure what Winter Rose is, but it looks like the weekend collection is Femme, Tuberose, and Twilight Mauve. Gardenia and Orchid are part of the leather collection. I don't know if there's leather in those. Yeah, no. This Nuit one is just like a vanilla, very soft vanilla scent. I'm not picking up anything else. I'm not picking up any fruits. There's no fruity vibe. This is just like a soft vanilla scent. And it could just be because it's the rollerball. Sometimes rollerballs fall flat on my skin. Those are my first impressions. I like red vanilla a lot so far. But I do like Femme. I really liked Tuberose. I liked Femme and Tuberose, and then red vanilla. But I'm gonna be playing with these, and I will follow up with like the longevity and, you know, notes and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below, have you tried these? Which ones are your favorite? I know there are other ones. I wanted to pick up apple juice, but they only had the large bottle, and I just didn't want the large bottle in case I didn't like it, because I am being a little bit more mindful about that, just because I do like to blind buy a lot of perfumes. So one of my rules is, unless you really want it, nothing bigger than 1.7. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below, have you tried any of these? Let me know what they're duping, because I know they say that Zara perfumes, you know, they're usually inspired by other scents. But let me know in the comments below, and that will do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload, and until next time, guys, bye.